Have you ever wondered what Linux is and why it's so popular? Linux, in essence, is an open-source operating system, much like Windows or Mac OS. However, the beauty of Linux lies in its key differences. The term open source means that Linux's source code is freely available for anyone to view, modify, and distribute. This promotes a culture of collaboration and innovation that's quite unique to the Linux community. But where do we see Linux? Well, it's everywhere. From powering the servers that run the internet, to running on your personal computers, smartphones, household appliances, and even in your cars. It's the silent operator behind the scenes, keeping our digital lives running smoothly. Linux is not a one-size-fits-all solution. There are myriad versions or distributions, each tailored to specific needs and hardware configurations, making Linux incredibly versatile. So who is behind this powerful and versatile operating system? The story of Linux begins with a man named Linus Torvalds. In the year 1991, this Finnish computer science student set out to create a free operating system for his personal use. Inspired by Minix, a small Unix operating system used in academic circles, Torvalds decided to develop a system that surpassed its limitations. This quest led to the birth of Linux, a Unix-like operating system that was designed to be free and open source. This meant that anyone could use, modify, and distribute it. The decision to make Linux open source was a pivotal one. It laid the groundwork for the system's growth and development, allowing programmers worldwide to contribute to its evolution. Another key player in this saga was the GNU General Public License, ensuring that Linux remained free software. It stipulated that any alterations to the software must also be made freely available, fueling innovation and collaboration. But how did Linux become so popular? Linux didn't become popular overnight. It was a journey, a saga of continuous development and evolution. In the early days, Linux was a playground for tech enthusiasts, a realm where only the most tech-savvy could thrive. But the beauty of open source is in its adaptability, its potential for growth and improvement. As time went by, the Linux community began to realize that to make Linux mainstream, it had to be more user-friendly. Cue the creation of distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Ubuntu, with its easy-to-use interface, made Linux accessible to the general public. Fedora, with its focus on innovation, brought cutting-edge technology to desktop computers. Debian, the granddaddy of distributions, set the standard for stability and reliability. These distributions and many others have played crucial roles in the rise of Linux. They've taken a powerful, flexible operating system and made it accessible to everyone, from the tech-savvy to the everyday user. And today, Linux is everywhere. Linux's power lies in its flexibility and control. Its open-source nature allows for unprecedented customization, making it adaptable to any need or desire. It's stable, with a robust architecture that rarely crashes. Security is a cornerstone, with an active community constantly working to keep it hacker-resistant. Speaking of community, Linux boasts a strong one, offering support and solutions to any challenge. This perfect blend of flexibility, stability, security, and community makes Linux a powerhouse in the world of operating systems. Why not give Linux a try? Ready to dive into the world of Linux? There's a wealth of options waiting for you at distrowatch.com, where you can explore a myriad of Linux distributions tailored to your needs. For first-time users, I advise trying the most user-friendly distributions, such as Linux Mint or Zorin OS. Don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your tech horizons. Remember, the power of Linux is just a click away, so why wait? Subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and stay updated. We will offer many free courses and tutorials on Linux, AI, and other technologies. Subscribe and stay tuned.